Hello everyone, we are going to see about functions. TypeScript function is a block of code that performs a specific task. In TypeScript, you can define a function with type annotations for parameters and return values. The syntax of a function is function, function name, parameter 1, type, parameter 2, type, and return type. And a function body, and then we want to return a value. This is the syntax. This is the syntax of function. Now I am going to show you the code. Function add add of 5, 4. If I console log this, this was the normal function in JavaScript. Here we don't put a type of a values like number or anything, but in TypeScript we want to put the type of the value as number or string like that. If I run this, see I am getting 9 as the value. Next we are going to see about a function with type. Next we are going to see about functional with optional parameter. Function greet name string greeting string if greeting, then you want to return If I save this and if I run this, see I'm getting the output as hello John. Here it should be a name. Now if I run this, see I'm getting hello John and hi Jane. Like this we will get the output when we are using optional parameter. In this tutorial we have covered how to define a function in TypeScript, including how to specify parameters, types, return types, optional parameters, default parameters and REST parameters. Next we are going to see about REST parameters using function. For that function sum, for REST parameter we want to use triple dot numbers number array of number let result equal to 0 numbers dot for each. Now if I run this, see I am getting the total as 15. Like this we want to use REST operator using triple dots. Thank you.